Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to tackle my small appliances. So recently I bought a juicer. I've been juicing with my Vitamix and it's not going too well. Vitamix is a powerful blender, but it still leaves like fibrous contents left from the fruits and vegetables I've been using. So I've been researching a new to get a new juicer. I didn't want to pay a lot, so I found one I really like. And so it's funny, my husband just bust right into it and used it. He loved it. So I didn't realize how many parts a juicer has. It has a lot of parts to it because I got a slow masticating juicer. So I had all these my juicer parts in a container with my parts to my Ninja little blender and my hand mixer and my shred. I just realized it's gonna be hard to find all these things, so I need to come up with a solution to organize all this. So you know me, I shop my house first, and so I found a cart, an extra cart that I had that was just holding random stuff that my kids wasn't using. So I decided to use that, and then I measured the cart because I need to get bins to fit in the cart. So again, I shopped my house looking for bins, and I'll show you what I did to create a storage, a rolling storage container for my small appliances and all its parts. But before I show you, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And so with enough said, let's jump on in. So I have all these parts to different things. Like I recently bought a juicer. I have this blender. I also have either way, I have a lot of parts and I don't know where to put it all. Like I have my Vitamix, the toaster, my ice machine staying here. But yeah, so I was trying to think, what can I do? So I have this cart and it's not really being used. It was just an extra cart. So I'm gonna see if this will work where I'm gonna put it. So when I did the kitchen, when I painted the kitchen, which I'll link the video for, there was a IKEA bookcase here, and I took the IKEA bookcase that was there and put it in my pantry. So now I have this empty space. I was going to look for something on Amazon, but I don't want to buy anything, so I said I'm going to shop my house. So I found this cart. I didn't empty it out. I'm going to see if this will fit. And it does fit. It's a little snug, but if I turn the wheels, yeah, so it's going to fit. So I'm going to empty this out, and then I'm going to see if I can find some containers.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman.
I shopped in my house and I couldn't find any bins that would work in this space the way I wanted. So because of that, I ended up going to Home Goods, and I actually found bins that may work. Now I always measure and keep measurements on me because I don't want to make two trips. So I measure how big the cart is, so I know what size bins I want. So I found these bins. It's 3, and it was, you can see right here, it was, oh yeah, $16.99 for 3 bins. But what I really like about these bins is that each one has a handle. Oh, I love it. So let me show you what we're working with. So these are parts to 4 different things. So I'm going to use these bins and I'm going to put it, I'll show you what it looks like in the cart, but I'm going to start putting the stuff in the bins.
No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So this is what it looks like so far. My juicer, the blender, the shredder, and the blender.
Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Well, what do you think? I think it looks great. Actually, like I said before, between the fridge and that wall used to be that bookcase I had, and I ended up using it in my pantry, so the cart fits perfectly in there. I kind of wish I had more storage, it was taller, but you know what, I'm not trying to buy anything, you know, another piece of furniture to put there. But yeah, I really like the way it came out. I think it looks great. It's easy to pull out, to get the juicer or even the other small appliances with its parts. And I showed my husband, he was like, oh, this is great, because he was looking for different parts. And so anyway, it worked out really good, so I'm really proud of it. I think it looks really good. Like I always say, at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So I think it looks great. It helps solve the problem. Guys, I hope this inspired you to organize something, declutter something. There's always something to organize in a house, unless your house is that pristine and very organized. Because if it is, I would love to see it. I would love to hear what is the most organized thing in your house. Comment below. Tell me what's the most organized thing in your house. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, have a very blessed day. Bye.